100 plus years. That is why you and the White House, if White House really believes in what it says, then you are here only to further the agenda of the White House. We are not taking a position against the White House. We are taking a position what White House told us it believes in from the days of Woodrow Wilson, Harry Truman, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, from the days of Jimmy Carter, from the days of all the presidents, President Obama. So we are here resonating with the American values and demanding that the White House has to take a special interest, maybe a special point pen to look at what is happening in Pakistan. 2 more lines and I finish. The situation is this: despite all what is happening in Pakistan, the only solution for the problems of Pakistan is free, fair and transparent election. Let there be a government, whosoever it is, that represents the people of Pakistan.
Imran Khan! Imran Khan! Imran Khan! Imran Khan ko!
جہاں جہاں پاکستان جاتے ہوئے آخری بات میں یہ کہنا چاہتا ہوں، ہم یہاں وائٹ ہاؤس کے باہر ہیں، اسٹیٹ ڈپارٹمنٹ قریب ہے. ایک پاکستان کا سب سے بڑا ہیرو، سب سے مقبول سیاستدان، فارمر پرائم منسٹر، وہ صرف جیل میں بند کیوں ہے؟ کیونکہ یہاں کے ڈونلڈ لو صاحب نے اسد مجید صاحب کو اگر عمران خان کو نہ ہٹایا تو مشکل ہوگی. تو میں چاہتا ہوں ڈونلڈ لو صاحب کو اس وقت میں کہہ رہا ہوں، عمران خان کو رہا کرو، پاکستان میں جمہوریت لگے ہو. اور پاکستان میں جو کٹ پتلیاں ہیں اور وہ جو اپنے آپ کو چکڑ چاکڑ، کیا نام ہے بندہ جو عمران خان. تھینک یو. بہت شکریہ سلمان بھائی کے لیے بھرپور تالیاں. میں منیر کھٹانہ صاحب سے ریکویسٹ کروں گا اسپیج سے تشریف لائیں. شکاگو کی ٹیم یہاں آئی ہے، شکاگو کی ٹیم کے لیے بھرپور تالیاں. اس کے بعد نیو یارک کی ٹیم والے لائن اپ ہو جائیں. ایک سپیکر ہوگا، اس کے بعد شہباز گل سے بات کریں گے. بارش ہوئی، پلیز آپ نے جانا نہیں ہے. 2 منٹ سر. میاں اسکلین صاحب، اظہر عباس صاحب. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. پورے امریکہ سے آئے ہوئے پی ٹی آئی کے کارکن خان صاحب کے جان
Imran Khan, because I support justice and human rights for everyone across the globe. I've known who Imran Khan was for some years, and a couple years ago, or in the spring of 2022, when I found out he was going to be ousted, I couldn't understand why, because he is so popular. And so I started Googling it, started reading, started researching the issue of whether the United States was behind it or not. And I also started researching more Imran Khan himself. I took a very deep dive. And here's what I'll say. If you hear Imran Khan speak, you will be enlightened. If you study Imran Khan, you will be inspired. If you get to know him, his philosophies, what a deep person he is, what an expanse, how much he has contributed to all of humanity for many, many years. To know Imran Khan is to love Imran Khan. So I stand with the people of Pakistan, not only because of Imran Khan. He has inspired so many people that I have witnessed in the last year what I call democracy in motion. I have never seen such a mass movement of people come out and be inspired by one person. And the sad thing for me is that my fellow citizens missed it completely because Western journalism and media did not cover this democracy in motion. So I'm here to participate and support. I support Imran.
I flew from Sacramento, California, because my representatives, Ms. Doris Matsui and Dr. Bira, will not respond to my email and my question. So I asked Mr. President Biden and Mr. Blinken that why the Viceroy Donald Bloom is meeting the Election Commission of Pakistan, why he met the Punjab IG, who is involved in unspeakable atrocities, We are not shy about it anymore. We are not even pretending to be democratic anymore. Imran Khan is not anti-American, but he believes, like most Pakistanis believe, that the foreign policy should be just and fair. Make no mistake, Pakistan was made for La ilaha illallah. There is no God but God. Don't try to make it Yugoslavia. I think I'll stop here.